National Pharmaceutical Industries, Muscat, Oman, Glenmark Generics Limited, Goa, Microlabs Limited, Goa, Zydus Cadila, IndSwift Labs, Eximed Pharmaceuticals, Gujarat, and currently he is working as a DGM production in Swiss Garnier Genexia Sciences, Sikkim. So I request Sir to start his presentation on future opportunities in pharmacy.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I will give the thanks to this Baramati Pharmacy College and their management. They have given the very good opportunity to deliver the pharmaceutical careers. What is the opportunities in the market? So I had came to give the lectures on that. What is the scope in the industry? I had been associate with around 27 years in the pharma manufacturing. I had given the work for the regulatory and non-regulatory, semi-regulatory and domestic market. And all those markets have, these industrial markets have good opportunity for the budding pharmacist, new pharmacist. So accordingly, we'll go for that. There are two types of the things. If we'll go for the educations, always matter the things. What type of the education you did? The diploma pharmacy is the basic foundation of the pharmaceutical industry. Basic, that it will give only the basic things. And higher, if we will go for the higher educations like B Farm, then we will have the different kind of the scope in the industry and as well as in the market also. So accordingly, I am giving the what are the scope in the pharmaceutical field. There is a wide range of pharmaceutical field because pharma is a sector, is one of the sector which is delivering or acting the on the live human body. It is not like a engineering part. If any part can be damaged, it can be replaced. But once you get your body damaged, then there will be a huge loss for our body. So this field is a very challenging, interesting, and very exciting field. Now we'll go about the basic things. Diploma pharmacy. The diploma pharmacy is a 2 years course. After 10th or 12th also you can do it. Then what are the opportunities? The questions comes on the what are the opportunities for those peoples who did their diploma pharmacy. That pharmacy is a basic foundation. So there is a limited scope or a wide scope, you can say also. You can go first, you can after DPharm, you can go for the higher education, that is a Bachelor of Pharmacy. And parallelly, if you don't want to go for the higher education, you had set your set the goal, yes, I have to go for the job after DPharm. Then there are a lot of scope in the D pharmacy for the sales market, industrial market, sell entrepreneur और अपना खुद का एक शॉप डाल के भी करवा सकते हो. You can make your own shop also. In that case, always keep in mind whatever the field you have choose, that field you have to make in the master things in that. अब फार्मास्यूटिकल डी फार्म के बाद अगर आपको करना है तो यू कैन गेट द जॉब इन मेनी काइंड ऑफ government, semi-governments or private sectors. Mainly dispensing pharmacies. Diploma pharmacies is a dispensing pharmacy. He can deliver the medicines to the patient, right medicines to the patient. Because he having the basic knowledge of basic drug knowledge. So they have a lot of scope, like government primary health centers, then military health centers, train that means रेलवे में भी आपको बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है जहाँ पे रेलवे के काफी सारे हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं. You can go for that also. That is also one of the best choice for that. Marine drive, that means you can go for the जो अपना समुंदर के पास में जो जितनी भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट होती है तो वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए भी बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल्स, तो वो हॉस्पिटल्स में भी आप लोगों को वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. वहां पे आप आराम से वहां पे जॉब कर सकते हैं एंड यू विल गेट द गुड पोटेंशियल आल्सो. Now government hospitals and semi-government military hospitals, they are offering around 20 to 25,000 rupees per month salary. But for that you have to go for prepare for the examination and go for their qualifications, for qualify. You have to get qualified for that. तो वो कंडीशन में आपको वो एग्जाम क्वालिफाई होके करना चाहिए. That is the very good opportunity to get the job immediately. These are the dispensing pharmacy. You can go for the your own shop. आप अपना खुद का शॉप भी खोल सकते हैं और इतना बढ़िया खोल सकते हैं. Then you have to not only शॉप खोलना नहीं है, you have to learn the lot of things. Now we are going, we are लिविंग विद द IT सेक्टर्स. हम एक कंप्यूटर की दुनिया में हैं, तो वो कंप्यूटर की दुनिया में क्यों है? तो एवरीथिंग इज द थिंग्स आर इम्प्लीमेंटेड थ्रू द लॉट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. तो वो टेक्नोलॉजीज आपको अडॉप्ट करनी पड़ेगी. वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम होता है. और वो टेक्नोलॉजी में आप देखो, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू गो फॉर द मेडिकल शॉप, medical shop is a good earning premises or shop for your supporting to your family and your total entire family. But you should learn the lot of things when only not the dispensing things to give the deliver the medicines to the customer or patients. You have to take care. You have to understand the things also, so they can you can deliver the correct medicines to them. And technology, I am talking about the technology. Once आपने अगर एक शॉप खोल दिया तो वो शॉप खोलने के लिए आपको एक सिस्टम लगेगा. वो ये ड्रग्स मेडिसिन है. ड्रग्स मेडिसिन का जैसे रिकंसिलेशन होता है. रिकंसिलेशन में मतलब क्या होता है? अगर मैंने आपको 100 रुपए दिया है तो वो 100 रुपए आपने कैसे कैसे खर्चा किया है, तो उसका पूरा आपको हिसाब देना पड़ता है और दैट वैल्यू शुड बी 0. द सेम वे आप जब मेडिसिन प्रोक्योर करते हैं, मेडिसिन लेते हैं, तो वो मेडिसिन का एक स्टॉक मेंटेन करके आपको सिस्टम में एंटर करना पड़ता है. सो दैट इसीलिए आपको वो टेक्नोलॉजी, वो सॉफ्टवेयर्स जो रिटेल के लिए लगते हैं, होलसेलर के लिए लगते हैं, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के लिए लगते हैं, तो दैट इज द वेरी वेरी की रोल्स रहता है कि वो सॉफ्टवेयर आपको उसका भी जानकारी लेना पड़ता है. So this is the very good opportunity to serve the medicines to the patients in a very professional way. This is the very good actually profession. See, if you look at the other things, we are wearing the white coat, and white coat has a very respect in the society. Not only the India, it is the outside the India, the whole worldwide. It is a respected profession. Our profession is a very respected profession. So accordingly, you do respect for your business or your these things, then you will be grow like anything. So these are the opportunities for the sales and एक शॉप के लिए मैंने आपको बोला कि you are the best dispenser medicine dispensers to the patients. Now we'll go for the marketing. Marketing. What is the marketing? How it happens? What is the why it is a requirement? What is the need? Why this principle has came into the market? Lot of medicines are there that how it is acting. What is the benefit of this medicines? And that has to be, you have to demonstrate to the doctors and how it is effective. That is the things, that skills depends on you, how you can talk with the sales or doctors, how the medicines are effective. These medicines are very effective for the society and for the patients. For this, the basic need, that is the what is the basic things? What you did, जो आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है, आप लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत करके अपना प्रोफेशन कंप्लीट किया है, तो वो केस में आपको ईच ड्रग का एक एक्टिव ड्रग का साइड इफेक्ट्स ये सब चीज के बारे में आपको मालूम होता है. दैट हैज टू बी डिलीवर्ड टू द you can say the doctors. So accordingly, you can increase your sale or your you have the scope to go into that market also. And the industries are paying very good for the marketing as well. Now you will go for the technical things. Technical things mean that what are the scope in the industry. Industrial scope is a very big things. If you look at the one industry, around 300 people working over there, and out of that, the key persons are only the pharmacists, and all are supported to the pharmacist only. Nothing. They will respect only the pharmacists. It might be the diploma, it might be a degree. If you'll go for the diploma, what is the scope in the industry for the diploma holders? See, diploma holders having the basic knowledge of drugs and drugs. So it is started from the receiving of the material till to dispatch. There is 100% opportunities for these DPharm for the lower level. For example, we are receiving the materials, then only it is not a material. For example, एक API आ गया है, वो API कहाँ से आया है, उसने सप्लाई किया है, उसका COA आता है. COA मतलब एनालिटिकल डेटा आता है, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ एनालिसिस. That certificate of analysis that has to be verified, and technically pharma के technically means pharmaceutical technical language में only the DPharm and BPharm persons can understand what is the COA and what is the value of COA. If I will put any BA, BCom or on other person, he will not understand the thing. He will see, okay, this is the papers and it is received from that. But this is not the things. Actually, if we go for the basic ethical pharmacy, then you will know that COA, then material receiving is the best. There is also one opportunity to work as a store management, basic management, and accordingly that material has to be taken into the in place. There is also a lot of scope. Before I am going for this, what is the industry? I will tell in details. What is the flow of industry? If we'll see the flow of industry, that is a unidirectional flow. That means कोई भी material अगर एक बार अंदर आया तो वो आगे ही चलता जाए in a one-way direction. If there is any kind of discrepancies or non-compliance is not compatible, then your flow will be changed. So basic, what I will give the one flow, I will tell you the what is the flow procedure. Once material is coming into the inside the plant, that received by the store person, that person can be D pharmacy, B pharmacy as well. After receiving the material, we can make this GRN because we need to keep the traceability of each and every materials into the, because we are making the medicines, we are playing with the human life. So that is very important for us. Every stage, everything we have to go for in a very proper manner. So you have the scope to the stores. Then again, this material management. Once we get the make the GRN, it will go for the quality control for the testing. Again, there is the requirement of the deformed persons. Why deformed persons? I am telling. Once material is received, the job of two departments. One department is a store department. Now I am talking about the quality control department. That is, all things will be interlinked for your kind information. Okay, so once these materials come in the store, that GRN will prepare to it will go to the quality control department. The quality control department has a duty to take the sampling of that materials. Any kind of the materials which are received in the industry, that has to be tested, and that level, the sampling process, we can, diploma holder can join as a QC. QC में आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, वो वहां पे जाके ये जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स के लिए जो सैम्पलिंग होता है, तो सैम्पलिंग के लिए आपको अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है वहां पे क्यूसी में आपको वो जॉब मिल सकता है। दूसरा ये चीज होता है कि उसके बाद वो मटेरियल जहां पे जाता है सैम्पलिंग वो भी सैम्पलिंग प्रॉपर होता है, उसकी भी एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर होती है। और all pharma industries have the written procedures. You cannot deviate the procedures. So there is also one opportunity. Then after this receiving the material, you can go for the testing and everything. For the testing, nowadays a lot of pharmaceutical B Farm persons also joining in a quality control. There is a, you should not be think नहीं है कि आपने को ये मैंने बी फार्म किया है, मुझे प्रोडक्शन करना है, मुझे क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस में जाना है. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. वो आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस कैसी माइंड करती है उसके ऊपर वो सब डिपेंड करता है. because you did in the B Farm and D Farm also, you did the particular analysis, you know the test procedures, you know exactly what happens, what to do, how to do, everything is there. And you have the basic knowledge because you are studying in the college. Just it is the implementation there. So there is a scope for the D Farm and as well as B Farm in the quality control department also. For the D Farm, there is one more scope is there. You can go for the you can primary packing material testing. Packing material testing. There is one department also there. A small section is there where the each material get tested. For that, you diploma holders can be applied for that because whatever the packing material is received, that is also having some ethics. As per the government norms, that material has to be there, or text matter should be like that. Everything is there. Very exciting field. I am telling you, all you people, it is a very exciting and a wonderful field you have Sita. So मैं always बता दूंगा कि you are the basic क्या बोल सकते हैं कि आप अपकमिंग स्टार्स हो, तो इसलिए वहां पे आपको टेस्टिंग का भी मौका है. डिप्लोमा फार्मेसी कैन अप्लाई देना. बी फार्म तो टेस्टिंग के लिए जा सकते हैं, उसका कोई इशू नहीं है. तो ये जो documentation is also good thing. Every department in the pharma field, every department documentation part is a very important factor because it is an evidence. That evidence you have to keep the 3 years, 4 years as per standard norms. So that documentation keeping also require those people because they knows these people also knows कि yes, I have to do these things. So there is a scope for the diploma of pharmacy for documentation part. Now we'll go for the, this is the all about the stores and store management and quality control. Now process, come to the process. Process is a very key persons, very important and required the key persons. सबसे ज्यादा फार्मा इंडस्ट्री में सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट किसको मिलता है तो डी फार्म एंड बी फार्म because they directly involve into the process. They can make the best quality of the medicines. Otherwise, these other things are very difficult. Technically, yes, engineers are there. They will come, they will rectify, they will go there. Even though these the drug delivery or formulation, tablet, capsule, ointment, injection, any kind of the formulations is the basic job of the diploma pharmacy and B pharmacy. Now, come to the point of the diploma pharmacy. What are the opportunities in this process area? You learn even you have learned that the granulation process and compression process and coating process, packaging process. It is not a simple thing to go granulation to the this thing granulation कर दिया ये बना दिया हो गया. That is not the thing. The basic, what is the our target? कोई भी एक medicines बनती है तो उसका aim क्या होता है? Aim एक ही aim होता है the quality. Quality means what? What kind of the quality? So whatever contents you have done into the your process and patient's needs, so at least as per the standard norms, we should require 90, not less than 95% drug be given into the dosage form. 100 plus 100 plus minus 5% रहता है, तो accordingly, तो उसमें बहुत सारे challenges होते हैं. What are the challenges? कई मटेरियल जो होता है पार्टिकल साइज कम होता है, ज्यादा होता है. वंस पार्टिकल साइज कम हो जाएगा तो डेफिनेटली तुम्हारा सरफेस कॉन्टैक्ट एरिया कम होता है, ज्यादा होता है. अगर पार्टिकल साइज बड़ा हो गया तो अल्टीमेटली कम होगा. तो these are the basic shifting process होती है. बहुत सारे प्रोसेस आपने पढ़ा है. So that implementation can do that. All at the beginning when I started my careers, around 60%, 60 to 70% people's diploma pharmacy, they are doing these jobs. Technical job. The granulation process, lot of the various kind of the granulation process are. Then what you need to learn? You have the basic knowledge. Then you have, once you go on the job, once you get the job opportunity, then you have to learn the principles of the equipment. You have to understand the equipment. So these are the opportunities for the granulations. One industry having 4, 5, 5 granulations, 6 granulations. They are working on A, B, C seed. Then preferably they always industry like to take the people diploma holders for this job. Granulation में रहेगा तो बहुत सारे लोगों को वो टाइम पे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, टेक्निकली नॉलेज मिलता है. उसके बाद वंस यू हैव 2-3 years एक्सपीरियंस, ये एक्सपीरियंस के बाद आपका प्रमोशन भी होता है. आपका नॉलेज और आपका ये होने के बाद यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली प्रमोटेड एज ए सुपरवाइजर आल्सो. बट यू हैव टू शो योर परफॉर्मेंस वेरी क्लियरली एंड दिस वे. और ये जो है वो सब आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. But this is the opportunities in the basic level for the granulation area. And I forget, in dispensing in the store there is a dispensing, like हम लोग medicines में कैसे dispense करते हैं, क्या dispense करते हैं, टैबलेट डिस्पेंस करते हैं. एक पेशेंट आता है, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन आता है, उसके अगेंस्ट हम डिस्पेंसिंग डिस्पेंस करते हैं, दवाई देते हैं स्टूडेंट को. The same way, raw material, packing material is the same procedure. जब आपको एक फॉर्मुलेशन बनाना है, वो केस में ही आपको वहां पे भी अपॉर्चुनिटी डिस्पेंसिंग फार्मासिस्ट वहां पे भी. So this lot of scopes are there, lot of requirements in the industry for this. As I told you, there is a scope in the level of this granulation, every sections. Then we go for the formulation. I will not go. I have only to speak on what is the scope and where we can get the scope, job opportunities, career opportunities. That I am going to tell you. In this case, then again there is a compression process. Compression process में क्या होता है? Yes, there are some diploma engineering people also there, but preferably, if we are not getting, then we can go for those people. The important thing इसमें क्या होती है कि हमें प्ले करना है, हमें अपना नॉलेज कहाँ से है, तो दैट बेसिक नॉलेज, फार्मेसी का बेसिक नॉलेज हमें वो इक्विपमेंट के साथ अपने को अडॉप्ट करना, उसको हमें डेवलप करना. तो उसलिए बेसिक जो है, अभी समझो कंप्रेशन में आ गए हैं, चिपिंग आ गया, स्टिकिंग आ गया, ये सब जो प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, that engineer cannot do it. The basic things, who knows why it is happening, how it is happening, what is the root cause. These are the things who that operator level, operation level person, he immediately he can say, yes, because of these things we are happening this. Even he knows that why, what type of the granules is received. Yes, there is an issue is related with the granulation process. Immediately he will say, no, sir, this is happening because of this. ये जो नॉलेज होता है, ये नॉलेज खाली डी फार्म और बी फार्म के लोगों के पास होता है, और उसके लिए इन लोगों को बहुत जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज यहाँ पे टेक्निकली जो जैसे आप एक ऑपरेशन में गए, ऑपरेशन ऑपरेटर गए, तो खाली आपको प्रोसेस मालूम होता है, टेक्निकल थिंग्स आपको मालूम नहीं होता है। टेक्निकल थिंग्स अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए भी वहाँ पे प्रोसेस होता है, प्रोसेस में आपको वेल डिफाइंड प्रोसेस होता है, उसका स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर होती है। मतलब लिटरली आप लोगों को अगर जॉब करने जाओगे और मुझे मालूम नहीं है भी कैसा करना है, क्या करना है, नॉट नेसेसरी। You take that procedure, you read it 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, understand the things, definitely it will go on. These are the jobs opportunities for the diploma of pharmacy workers. It's not the same thing, capsule filling process. Very exciting. Now a lot of engineering and technologies are coming over there. And वो उसका वो लर्न करना है, वो लर्न करके आपको आपके स्किल्स बढ़ाने हैं। इनिशियल 2-3 years का जो आपका पीरियड होता है, दैट इज you should not be look how much salary I am getting. That is not the तो वो केस में आप लोगों को ये करना पड़ता है, आपके स्किल्स डेवलप करना है within this 3 years period. You should have very deep knowledge with the technology. I'm talking about the engineering and technology. No, you should not be dependent. Once you develop in there, then you will the master. You will anywhere, any industry. Good industry is good. अच्छी कंपनियां आपको pick up कर सकती हैं. Then you can demand your salary. Yes, confidently you can demand. Yes, I have these skills. Yes, I can go. No, I want 30%, 40%. Yes. If they said no, no problem. I will see the right opportunity. These are the opportunities I am talking about, the particularly for the diploma pharmacies. So you have to you have very good openings in the industry level for operation levels, but need to be develop your skills, machinery skills and IT skills. These are your 2 things. Then again you came for the coating area. The same thing, process will be the same. There are also a lot of challenges are there, lot of issues are there, and that issues you studied very well in your during your education. So there are also a lot of scope in the coating area. Then even though now I'm telling you all peoples, now inspection process, that is also tablet inspection or capsule inspection. The technologies are going very forward. market don't want to any kind of complaints or defective. So that needs to the technology, and technology now thinking चार करोड़ का machines होता है. That each tablet they are checking by the all angles, 360-degree angles. Excuse me. नहीं है ना तो So accordingly, what I am saying that sorry because my mic was mute. Though in inspection technologies I am talking about that there is also a very good scope, but need to develop your skills, technical skills, and technical skill can be developed anyone, but you will get the opportunities to there. So these are the things up to those manufacturing as concerns. I talk about the stores, I talk about the quality control, I talk about the manufacturing process. Now the second process is coming for the packaging process. That is also big challenging and having the good scopes. Again, the same thing. There is the operations level, you can get the job for the operators. Earlier in our 20-25 years back, 30 years back, the Glaxo has B-Farm person they are taking, and they are taking as an operator. Why this? What is the benefit? Why they are taking? Why this industry or Glaxo made these things? Because आप लोगों को उसका टेक्नोलॉजी मालूम होना चाहिए, मशीन के साथ आपकी इंटरेक्शन होनी चाहिए, मशीन का ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट आपको मशीन के नॉलेज होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर मेकिंग फॉर द दिस. वो स्किल्स है वो तो इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप लोगों को यू विल गेट द लॉट ऑफ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर देयर. तो पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री में पैकेजिंग डेवलपमेंट पैकेजिंग प्रोसेस में various kind of equipments are there. Multiple type of variety of equipments are there. And that variety of the equipments along with the technology, not for the process. The technology very important for this. और वो टेक्नोलॉजी आपको एक बार once you get on the job, definitely that skill you need to develop. और जितने भी pharmacies है, I'm not talking about up to the packaging part. There are also different kind of the things. पैकेजिंग जो मटेरियल बनता है वहां पे भी
डेवलपमेंट होता है, पैकेजिंग मटेरियल डेवलपमेंट सेल होता है, डेवलप करना पड़ता है. There also required some diploma pharmacy students for the basic things. Yes, these we have to measure that one accordingly. The text matter is correct or not. RX is there or not, or red lines. Lot of things. Not I'm simple things I'm telling which are Beyond that, there is a lot of skills. That packing material development means if you have to make the cartons, then how it is correlated with the packaging material, how it is correlated with the machine and everything. So there is also good opportunity you can join there also. These are the, I think these are the good scopes in the industries. We talk about we talk about sales. एक एंटरप्रेन्योर में आपका बिजनेस भी चालू कर सकते हो, आपका ओन इंडस्ट्री also you can start, even though this is the pharmacy student, D.Pharm student also. These are the things are ready for your future. बहुत सारी चैलेंजेस है, आप लोगों को बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है इंडस्ट्री में, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज है इंडस्ट्री. अभी आप लोगों को मालूम है कि कोविड सब लोगों ने देखा है, all industries has hampered a lot, but only the industry, pharma industry is alive, and they are doing a lot of jobs for the society and patients. Wonderful job they are done. Then that's why the people respect we are getting. So respect your this profession and go with the profession only, then we'll have a very good future. Other things, इंडस्ट्री हो गया, आपका सेल्स हो गया, मार्केटिंग हो गई है, शॉप्स हो गए. These are the things, basic opportunities available in the market. All people's B.Pharmacy. Then again, there is a scope for M.Pharm and PhD in other fields. You can make the career in the teaching field also, academic field also. But we have to go for the higher educations. Higher education is the need of profession now. So basically, if you are going for the D.Pharm, I strongly suggest that you should go for the Bachelor of Pharmacy or degree course. Even after completion of degree course, you go for the master degree, and accordingly you will get the job, and you will get the respect, and you will get that salary structures also depends on that. So pharma industry never be stopping. वो तो चलते रहने वाला है, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलते वाली है. Oh, one more technology I forget to talk about this. This one technology now in 2012 में अपना इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने DGFT गाइडलाइंस इशू किया था. व्हाट आर दैट DGFT गाइडलाइंस? तो DGFT गाइडलाइंस में क्या है? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी. These guidelines are there definitely, but they are increasing the job opportunity level also. What is that DGFT guidelines? So track and trace, you can say a track and trace system. What is that track and trace system? Now you will get the everywhere barcode, and you now also Google Pay, you can go and scan it and you will see this. So accordingly यही फंडा है, यही प्रिंसिपल है। ये पहले जो एक्सपोर्ट करते थे, ये पहला कंटेनर, बड़े बड़े कंटेनर्स आते थे, अलग अलग कंट्री से आते थे, दूसरे दूसरे कंट्री में जाते थे, तो उसके शिपिंग मार्क एक रहता था। तो वो शिपिंग मार्क्स क्या होता था? व्हाट इज दैट शिपिंग मार्क? दैट इज द ट्रैक एंड ट्रेस। ट्रैक एंड ट्रेस मीन्स व्हाट? वो जो मटेरियल वहां से आपके पास से निकला है, कौन सी इंडस्ट्री से आया है, किसने बनाया है, कहाँ से आया है और कहाँ जाने वाला है, मतलब तो वो अगर ट्रेस करना है, मैं इंडिया में हूँ, मैं इंडिया के बाहर हूँ, अगर मैंने वो प्रोडक्ट इंडिया का ले लिया है, if you have that barcode or that track and trace system along with this thing, I will scan it. Yes, I will get the each and every detail in the in my finger of thing. मेरे हाथ में 2 मिनट में पता चलेगा कि नहीं यार, स्कैन करके ये मुझे यहाँ से मिला है, ये क्वालिटी का है, ये you will get the details, and that is the track and trace, and it is implemented in 2012. तो इनिशियली पैकिंग मटेरियल में 3 स्टेजेस होते हैं, 3 टाइप के मटेरियल्स होते हैं। एक प्राइमरी मटेरियल होता है, एक सेकेंडरी मटेरियल होता है, एक टर्शियरी मटेरियल होता है। तो एनी काइंड ऑफ द बिजनेस इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर द एक्सपोर्ट, तो वो केस में आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? You have to make the barcode system. Initially, they gone for the barcode. The barcode system में आपको each barcode is having some values or some meanings. तो उसमें बैच नंबर रहेगा, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रहेगी, एक्सपायरी रहेगी, देन आपका प्रोडक्ट किसने बनाया है, कब बनाया है, ऑल डिटेल्स वो कंपनी के बारे में और प्रोडक्ट के बारे में वो बॉक्स के ऊपर, मतलब एक सिपर, फाइनल सिपर। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रिप, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कार्टन जो 10-5 सिपर का होता है, एक स्ट्रिप का होता है। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बॉक्स, दैट इज द टर्शियरी मटेरियल। So initially there also now we required the pharmacies. But this all barcode system they have to understand it. तो उसके बाद जाएगा कि आपका सेकेंडरी में आएगा। सेकेंडरी मीन्स कार्टन, जो स्ट्रिप बनने के बाद जो मटेरियल, टैबलेट प्रोडक्ट, जो डायरेक्ट ओपन प्रोडक्ट, टैबलेट जब एक मटेरियल के अंदर, पैकिंग मटेरियल के अंदर पैक होती है, इट माइट बी कंटेनर, इट माइट बी स्ट्रिप, इट माइट बी ब्लिस्टर, इट माइट बी अलग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ। तो अकॉर्डिंगली फॉर दिस प्रोसेस वी नीड द फार्मासिस्ट, 100% वी नीड द फार्मासिस्ट। तो वो डीजीएफटी लाइंस का मैं ये बताया कि उसके बताने का पर्पज यही था कि देयर इज वन मोर स्कोप फ्रॉम इंक्रीज स्कोप ऑफ दिस फार्मा अपॉर्चुनिटी, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द फार्मासिस्ट। तो प्राइमरी का होता है, सेकेंडरी का होता है, टर्शियरी का होता है। So there is also scope for that. Again, parent child, that concept also that for the industry also, and particularly US market or European market, so many companies are doing this. So all these technologies are, or preferably companies preferred by BPharm students go such kind of the jobs for them. These are the basic opportunities for the pharmaceutical field, चाहे वो डिप्लोमा हो या डिग्री होल्डर। So these are the things. I think I had given the very small things in a simple, very simple language. बहुत इतना बढ़िया कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कुछ भी नहीं है, आई थिंक सो, बट नाउ आई विल अंडरस्टैंड बाय क्वेश्चनिंग योर क्वेश्चंस टू मी then I came to know that how you can understand, how much you understand me, whatever I had delivered, whatever the given I had given, what, how much you are taken, how much you understand. That things I have to know now. So I think so. I finished this opportunities section. Only thing is that whatever the questions in your mind, just please you can ask me, so I can give the best for you for the better understanding your understanding. Please, you have some questions you can ask me.
Yes. I will be making arrangements. You can ask questions. Yes. Portal is open. You can put on your mic and ask your question.
So I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
So what is the main difference between the government funded research and private funded research organization?
Sorry, I don't understand. Please repeat.
So what is the main difference between the research which is held by the government and which is held by the private organizations?
Yes, yes. See, research is the what do you difference. See, that is again the questions of your business. गवर्नमेंट को भी वही करना पड़ता है और प्राइवेट को भी वही करना पड़ता है. तो उसमें डिफरेंस होता है कि गवर्नमेंट nowadays गवर्नमेंट आर नॉट स्पेंडिंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन दैट, बट प्राइवेट सेक्टर कैन डू. तो उसमें प्राइवेट अपने अपने मॉलिक्यूल्स न्यू न्यू मॉलिक्यूल्स के लिए बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्री स्पेंड करती है 10-10 12-12 सो 1000 करोड़ 1200 करोड़ तक उनको रिसर्च में ये करना पड़ता है. मॉलिक्यूल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मॉलिक्यूल, गो फॉर द फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल. और एक मॉलिक्यूल डेवलप करने के लिए 4-4 5-5 साल लग जाते हैं. तो दो ये गवर्नमेंट इतना अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाता है. मतलब अफोर्ड नहीं करता मतलब अपनी सिस्टम अपनी गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम इतनी वेल डेवलप नहीं है उसके लिए. हाँ, कई है वो छोटा मोटा प्रोजेक्ट करवा लेती है, दैट इज डिफरेंट. बट मेन जो है दे ऑल आर इन द प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स. वो लोग अच्छे से स्पेंड करके उसके मॉलिक्यूल के ऊपर काम करते हैं.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next, anyone?
Anyone? Anyone having any questions?
I can start with some question. Thank you, sir, for being here. Thank you, sir, for giving me precious time. This topic, this is a vast topic. I completely understand. In future, just because of this COVID-19 scenario, we are working virtual. So in future, I have interaction with you personally in our institute. I once again thank you on behalf of Balanic Society. Thing regarding to students, the next session will be at 4 p.m. So I request all of you join on the same link at 4 p.m. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the giving for the opportunity. Okay, once again, thank you very much.